our chapter gravitation. Previously we are introducing gravitational potential energy, and we have completed the same one also, escape velocity. Okay, escape means when an orbit escaped from the surface, which we can take it as some of time period which can be represented in escape velocity. Clearly, now escape velocity we can introducing our equation we can take it as the square root of 2gr. That's the equation we can be introducing. In every earth surface which can be represented to sum of height measured. Sum of height measured we can take an r is equals to RE means earth surface, radius of earth plus height of the surface we can take it. Now these are considered we can take as in our chapter gravitation. Gravitation. Okay. Today our class we are introducing our topic earth satellites. Which satellites we can take? Earth satellites. Earth satellites. Okay. Previously we are introducing our radius topic. Then r radius is equals to RE means the radius of earth plus the height of the object we can take. Clear? When you can take earth, every surface we can introduce into this type. This is the orbital case. Clearly, this is the this is the RE. E means the earth radius. Some we can height of we can observe. This is the height of the property we can take it. H r in the sense we can take it as the radius of the surface we can introduce. Now r is equals to r plus h. Clearly, now we are going to our topic earth satellites. Now what is earth satellite? Earth satellite means we can take it around the earth surface when object, okay, when satellites revolves around the earth surface. Which surface we can take? Earth surface. All satellites are revolves around earth surface we can take it. Now these are always mainly two types. Okay, there are mainly two types. There are mainly two types. Clearly, now first one natural satellites, second one artificial satellites. First one natural satellites. Natural satellites. So first one. Now second one artificial. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites. There are mainly two types. Now first one is natural satellite, second one is artificial satellite. Now what is the definition of natural satellites? Natural satellites means you can take it, the natural we can take it, the surface we can own the surface we can own, which can be represented in our clearly in this surface we can take it as natural satellites. Okay, the best example we can take in moon. In every natural purpose of satellites. Which one? Satellites. Clearly, now satellites is the best example of satellite we can take in moon. Moon is always revolves at the surface. Moon revolves always at the surface. Now this one is the natural satellite we can take in. In every natural purpose of satellites is known as natural satellites. This one is always core of earth surface. Clearly, always core of earth surface, which can be represented in this the natural surface. Now best example we can take it. Moon is the best example we can take it. Now what is artificial surface? Okay, now artificial surface we can represent. Humans are built in a status of the surface. Humans are built in a status represents in earth surface. Humans are built which can represent. Humans are built in a status of represents in earth surface, which is known as artificial satellites. Now what is the best examples of artificial satellites? Now artificial satellites we can represent in communication purpose. Now the first one communication purpose. Communication purpose. Okay, it's the first one. Now the second one military purpose. Second one military purpose. Military purpose. Now third one navigation. Third one navigation. Navigation. And the next one TV signals of broadbands. TV signals of television signals of broadbands. These are all natural satellites, sorry, artificial satellites. Now, Earth satellite we can take in when satellites revolves around the Earth surface, which is known as Earth satellites. There are mainly two types. Now, first one is natural satellite. Second one is artificial satellite. Now, natural satellite, the statement we can take in every natural purpose of satellites are, okay, always flown off Earth surface. Always flown off Earth surface is known as natural satellite. Now, best example we can take it as moon is the best example. Okay, moon is always reverse to the Earth surface we can take it, right? Now, artificial satellites are human or built in a status of representing Earth surface, which is known as artificial satellite. Now, main of examples we can take a communication purpose. Now, first one, second one military purpose. Now, third one navigation purpose, and fourth one TV signals of broadband. Okay, these are all Earth satellites. Which satellites we can take an Earth satellites. Okay. Now, next one, the time period of which can be represents the time period of surface. The time period of surface. Now, what is the time period we can take? Clear. Okay. Time period. The time period of Earth surface. Time period of Earth surface. Now, what is the time period we can represent? Okay, here we know the surface of Earth surface. This is the Earth surface. Clearly, Earth surface. This is the center point to nucleus point of the statement. Okay, O is the point. O is the point. Now, this is the radius of surface R, which can be represented the Earth surface. R E we can take. Clearly, then every Earth surface we can represent to the sum of velocity program which can be revolves. Which type of orbits we can take in? The sum of artificial and natural orbits we can revolve to Earth surface. Clearly, now this is the height we can take in the measure point. Okay, this is the height of the property. Clearly, the total radius of the function we can take in R is equals to R E plus H. Our previous topic also we can introduce the radius of surface. Now R is equals to R E plus H. E means the Earth radius. Again we can take the height of the property. Clearly, we are introducing the force of the equation. The force of the equation we can take in the force F is equals to what kind of equation? Universal law of gravitation. Capital G, capital M, small m by R E plus H. Clear one? This is the your M E is the Earth surface we can mass of the Earth we can take it. Now F is equals to capital G, capital M, suffix E we can take it. Earth mass of the body M by R E plus H. This is the equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now all orbitals are revolving. Revolving means we can take in sum of circumference. We can take it as the equation. Now centripetal force Fc is equals to M. Sorry, we can take in M V square by R E plus H. Okay. This is the whole square problem. We can take whole square. Okay, clearly the force F is equals to capital G, capital M, small m by R square we can take in R E plus H whole square. Now Fc is equals to M V square by R we can take in. Now R is equals to R E plus H. This is the equation number 2. Okay, there are two equations that can be represented always force which way. Okay, equation 1 and 2 represents the force F is equals to force Fc we can take as. Clearly we know that the force F is equals to what is that? Capital G, capital M E small m by R E plus H whole square is equals to, what is the equation? M E square by R E plus H. M V square by R E plus H. Okay, now this is square property, this is the property cancel. Okay, now M get cancelled. Now remaining coordinates are capital G, capital M E by R E plus H is equals to V square. R E plus H is equals to V square. Now since we can take V square is equals to, now what is capital G, capital M, R E plus H. Okay. Now the next one we can take V square. This is the only for velocity we can take as velocity V is equals to, okay, square root of capital G, capital M E by R E plus H. Okay. Now this is the velocity of the topic. Velocity of the topic. Now next we can take as the time period of vector surface we can take. Now what is the time period? Okay. Observing time period. Observing time period we can take it. Here you know that now velocity v is equals to displacement by time period. Okay, the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. The previous one, the application of this velocity we can take as the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Now we can take it as only for the time period we can observe. Okay, now time period t is equals to x by v we can take x by v. X means the displacement of the factor. Clear one? Displacement of the factor. Since we can take in every radius function we can be applicable in this surface. In this surface we can take in 2 pi R E plus H. This is the radius of the function we can take in. Now every x is displacement of the function. Clear? That displacement we can take in x is equals to 2 pi R actual equation. We can take in as 2 pi into R E plus H we can take in. Okay? Now this substituting equation t is equals to 2 pi R E plus H by V. R E plus H by V is the equation. Clear? Now since we can take in every V is equals to square root of G M E by R E plus H. This is substitute of the equation. Okay? Now time period T is equals to 2 pi into R E plus H. Okay, R E plus H. Since V is equals to, this is the equation, by V is equals to square root of capital G, capital M E by R E plus H. This is the equation. Since we can take, and this is square root problem. Okay, now we are applying R E plus H to the power 1 by 2. Okay, numerically we can applicable, this is the denominator factor, which can be denominator by denominator we can take it as a numerator function. Okay, now time period T is equals to 2 pi into R E plus H. Okay, clearly into R E plus H to the power 1 by 2. Okay, by square root of G M E. Square root of G M E. Clear one? Now this is the priority of 1. R E plus H to the power 1 of the factor. This is the 1 by 2 of the factor. We can take it as 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2 factor. Now time period T is equals to 2 pi R E plus H to the power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by square root of G M E. Square root of G M E. Now since we can take an R E plus to the power 3 by 2. Okay, now every function we can take as R E plus H is always similar equal to R E radius of the earth function. Okay, now we can take in the time period E is equals to 2 pi R E plus H we can take as R E to the power 3 by 2. It's a square root of the property we can applicable. Okay, R E square we can applicable to 3 by 2 of the function we can take in. 3 by 2 of the function. Okay, now what is the equation we can take as? Now this is the equation we can applicable to R E plus H of the function by square root of G M E. Since is it clearer? Okay. Now G M E is equals to, since we can take now what is that equation? We are applicable to the equation of the function. Okay. G is equals to G M by R square. G M by R square. Previous one we can take it. Clearly, since this is the R E square of the function. Now G M is equals to how much we can take it? Small g R E square. They are applicable to GME is equals to which can be equation? This equation will be continued. Okay. Now time period T is equals to 2 pi into R e to the power 3 by 2 by which can be, now this is the equation, square root of G R E square. G R E square. Clear, you know that. Okay, so this is the equation we can take it. Every 2 pi, the time period T is equals to, the time period T is equals to 2 pi into R e to the power 3 by 2, the same equation, G R E square. This is the continuation of this equation will be continued. The time period T is equals to 2 pi into R e to the power 3 by 2. Every exaction will be completed in this type of equation. Now R e plus H, no R e plus H. Okay, R e plus H to the power 3 by 2. Okay, every 3 by 2 function which can be represented in this type of equation also. Now GR is to GME is equals to GRE square also will be coming. Okay, same equation continue to again step also. This is the mainly containing to the time period T is equals to 2 pi into R is to the power 3 by 2 and square root of GRE square. Now this is the time period of Earth surface. Now time period of Earth surface. Now next we can go into energy of Earth surface. Energy of Earth surface. Now what is the energy of Earth surface? Every energy of Earth surface which can be represents. Okay, energy represents, there are mainly two types. Now first one, potential energy. Now second one, kinetic energy. First one, potential energy. Now second one, kinetic energy. Okay. Clear here? This is the velocity equation. Since we can take for every, the equation we continue to V square is equals to capital G capital M E by R E plus H. R E plus H. Okay. Energy of Earth surface. Okay. Now energy of Earth surface. Now what is that energy we can represent? Okay. Now energy we can represent. Now first we can take in the total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Our previous class will be continued. Okay. Now first we can go into kinetic energy. Okay. Now what is kinetic energy we can take it? Every equation half mv square equation. Half mv square of the equation. Clearly know that the observing of same equation to v square is equals to, then v square is equals to capital G capital M E by R e plus H also we can reduce. Okay. Since v square is equals to capital G capital M E by R e plus H. Okay. This is the velocity of this equation. Clearly. Now the substituting of V square in kinetic energy, the kinetic energy is equals to half m. V square means capital G capital M E by R e plus H. Okay. Okay. Now next we can take it. Now kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 is the property capital G capital M E small m by R e plus H. Now this is the kinetic energy. Now kinetic energy completed. Now next one, potential energy. Potential energy. Now potential energy is equal to our equation, gravitational potential energy we can take it. P E is equals to minus G capital M E small m by R e plus H. This is the potential, gravitational potential energy. Which is therefore now gravitational potential energy minus G capital M E m by R e plus H. Since we can take capital G capital small m by R, we can take as our previous equation. Since we can take potential energy is equals to U is equals to minus G capital M E small m by R e plus H. Now this is the equation number 1. Now this is the equation number 2. There are two equations in total energy. Okay. Now total energy is equals to how much we can take in? This is the half of the property. Now 1 by 2 capital G capital M E small m by R E plus H. Okay. Now plus into minus minus. Clearly capital G capital M E small m by R E plus H. There are two equations. This is the full of the energy. This is the half of the energy you can take. Clear you know that? Now total energy is equals to minus 1 by 2 capital G M by R E plus H. This is the total energy. This is the total energy. Now total energy is equals to, again we are using to the half of the energy we can represent. Okay, now total energy is equals to, now this the energy we can represent of potential energy. Potential energy is equals to minus 2 total energy. Minus 2 of total energy. Since we can take it, for example, every kinetic energy, since total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. This is the equation purpose we can applicable. Okay, clear you know that. Total energy is equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now kinetic energy we can take it as, this is the half of the portion we can take it. Okay, half of the portion, clearly know that. Now half into something plus this is something of the property. Okay, clear, negative function, every negative function. Okay, every negative function. For example, we are choosing to every kinetic energy is equals to potential energy of the property. Since we can take it. Okay. Now kinetic energy half. Okay. Half into something we can take and something we can take. Something we can take as capital G, capital M, small m by R E plus H. Same we can take it. Okay. Which one? Kinetic energy. Now kinetic energy we can take as is equals to 2 into potential energy we can take. Every kinetic energy is equals to 2 into potential energy. This is also representative one. This is also representative one. Every kinetic energy represents to potential energy. If kinetic energy is equals to the secondary formation of potential energy. This representation is known as energy of Earth's surface. There are mainly two types of energies. The first energy, kinetic energy. Second energy is the potential energy. This is the function. Okay. Now next one. Orbital velocity. Okay. Now next one, orbital velocity. Now what is orbital velocity? Now we are going to the first one. What is the velocity? Okay. Now velocity we can represent the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. The rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Orbital. Okay. Now we can go into first one, velocity. Now velocity v is equals to the rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. Since we can take in the orbital means every horizontal representation. Okay. Now every horizontal velocity which can be represented to revolve of circumference. Okay. Every horizontal velocity of object. Every horizontal velocity of object in circular motion of the property. Clear, we can take it. Every horizontal velocity of object in circular motion of the property we can take it. Since we can take it as every horizontal property, for example, we are using to this is the function. Okay, now we can take it. Okay. This is the radius of RE. This is the total mass of the body we can take it. M is the function. This is the height of the object we can take it. RE. Again, we are choosing to H is the purpose we can introduce into. Since we can take it, this is the ordinary point we can take it. And this is the mass of the Earth's surface we can take it. Since there are two types of initial properties we can applicable, our previous one also, okay, the force F is equals to, now what is the equation? Capital G, capital M E the Earth's surface, small m by R E plus H. This is the universal of gravitation. Clearly we know that Now force is always directly proportional to, there are two different types of masses, and inversely proportional to square of distance. Inversely proportional to square of distance, since we can take it F is equal to. In every circumference we can represent always is centripetal force. Which force we are applicable? Centripetal force. Clearly now Fc, centripetal force, is equal to small mv square by re plus h. Clearly now centripetal force Fc is equal to, what is that equation? mv square by r, since we can take it. Now every radius function of these function we can take it as every 0 is the position. Now re plus h is the position we can take it. Fc is equal to mv square by re plus h. This is the equation number 1. Now this is the equation number 2. Since we can take it, there are two types of equations in. Now find Fc. Okay? From equation 1 and 2, there are mainly two types of equation. Now F is equals to Fc. F is equals to Fc equation. Clearly, now F is equals to Fc. The equation will be represents F is equals to Fc is the function. Okay. Now capital G, capital M E M by R E plus H whole square. First one is equals to mv square by re plus h. mv square by re plus h. Now square is a cancel. Now small m also get cancelled. Small m also get cancelled. Now equation we can take it g m e by re plus h is equals to v square. Clear one we can take it. Now since we can take v square is equals to, what is the equation? Capital G capital M E by R E plus H. This is the velocity v equation. Since we can take this type of velocities in, v square is equals to, so v is equals to, sorry, we can take v is equals to square property. We are applying to right side square root of capital G capital M E by R E plus H. R E plus H. Okay. Since R E plus H is similarly equal to R E, we can take it for example. Okay. Now V is equals to square root of capital G capital M E by R E. Okay. According to our acceleration due to gravity equation. Okay. From acceleration due to gravity, small g is equals to capital G capital M by R square. In every x surface we can represent M E by R E, we can take an answer. Okay, since we can take it, capital G capital M E is equals to G R E square. Okay, now substituting in G M R E is equals to, which one we can take in? Small g R E square. Clearly, now substituting, now velocity V is equals to square root of G R E square by R E. Clear? Now V is equal to square root of G M E by R E. Okay, now this is the function G M E is equals to G R E square. Since G M E is equal to G R E square by R E, since this one is get cancelled. Now V is equal to square root of G R E. Now this is the equation of orbital velocity. Which velocity we can take it? Orbital velocity. Now this is the function of orbital velocity. Now velocity V is equal to square root of G R E. Clear? Now next one we can go into geostationary short wave. What one? Geostationary short wave. Very important one. This one also very important one, orbital velocity. Okay, now we are going to next one. Next to 4 marks important question you can take as geostationary short wave. Now what is geostationary short wave? The revolution of time period of Next we are going to geostationary satellite. Now what is geostationary satellite? Now geostationary satellite which can be introduced in if the period of revolution of artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of Earth's surface. Okay. Geostationary. Okay. Geostationary satellite. Since we can take in geo plus stationary. Okay, geo means we can take an earth one. Earth we can take an earth stationary satellite we can take in. Now earth means we can take in the revolution of, okay, the revolution of period of artificial satellite is equal to okay, rotation of period of earth surface, which can be represents geostationary satellites. We can represent every revolution of period of artificial satellite. We can take in as every artificial satellite we can represent rotation of period of earth surface. So mainly we can take in every artificial satellite is equals to representation of period of we can take in earth surface. Mainly two things are applicable in every geostation. Geo which we can take in as earth. In every earth satellite we can represent only for artificial satellite. Humans are always built to some we can represent in INSAT. This is the satellite we can take in. Clearly we observe one geostationary satellite. The revolution of period of artificial satellite is equals to rotation of period of earth surface. Okay, this is the geostationary satellite. In geostationary satellite is always 24 hours represents. Clearly, one day is equals to 24 hours we can be represented in geostationary satellite. There are some uses. What kind of uses we can represent? There are mainly two types we can observe something one. Okay, right? We are going to uses. The first use we can take in telecommunication. Okay, telecommunication in TV, television communication also. TV signals of communication proper. Okay. Now second one. Okay, size and shape of Earth's surface. Size and shape of Earth's surface. Size and shape of Earth's surface. Now next one. Minerals of, okay, every energy minerals of represents. Energy minerals of, okay, represents. Okay, this we can applicable, some of etc we can take in as some we can use it. Okay, clearly geostationary satellite means the revolution of period of artificial satellite is equals to rotation of period of Earth's surface. Okay, clearly now every geostationary satellite is always 24 hours represent. How many hours we can take in? 24 hours. Every 24 hours equal to 1 day represents. 1 day represents. So some using you can take in TV signals of communication or broadband one. Second one, size and shape of Earth's surface we can represent. Now energy minerals are to represent. They using some of atmosphere also we can take in. Okay, to identify energy minerals of represents. To identify. Okay. Again also. So third one, this is the fourth one. To know the upper layer of atmosphere. To know the upper layer of atmosphere. These are all the best uses of geostationary satellite. Okay. Now next one, polar satellite. Next one, polar satellite. Oh, what is polar satellite? The polar satellite is low altitude satellites is known as polar satellite. So what is low altitude? Altitude means we we can represent our previous class also same one. Okay. Polar shortcuts. Polar shortcuts. Okay. Now polar shortcuts. Now what is the statement? The statement can be represented always low altitude. Always low altitude of surface. This is the statement you can take in. Polar shortcuts means always low altitude of the surface, which can be known as polar shortcuts. Now what can be represents? The represents of, okay, the direction represents every north to south. Every north to south we can represent. Okay. Now the next one, in time period represents 100 minutes. 100 minutes we can take it. Clearly know that. Now previous one, geostationary satellite can be represented as always 24 hours. This is the 100 minutes only we can take it. Always low altitude of the surface, which is known as polar shortcut. So direction represents every north to south also. East to west we can represent to, depending upon surface we can use it. And the next one, in time period represents is always 100 minutes. Okay, this is the polar shortcut. Now next one, weightlessness. Then this is the topic we can take in the last topic, weightlessness. Now what is weightlessness? The best one word we can introduce it. Weightlessness means free falling body. Weightlessness. Weightlessness. This is the last topic of this gravitation topic. Okay. Weightlessness means the best example we can introduce in free falling body. Free falling body. This is the weightlessness. Now what is the statement we can take in every body? In every body which attains, okay, no support of force. Okay, in every body which attains no support of body, no support of force, we can take in weightlessness we can take in. For example, in every object, for example, representing. Okay, in free falling body we can take in, this is the direction of the property. Clearly we know that in we are not applicable any type of forces we are applicable. Okay, when an object dropped from the top of the building we can take in. The best example we can take in weightlessness. Clearly we know that when a body dropped from the height of the building. Okay, when a ball thrown upward direction, the same way we can take it simultaneously when a ball dropped from the top of the building, which can be represented in weightlessness. The best example we can take in every body which can be attains no support of force. No support means we can take in we are not applicable any external force. Any external force. Now this is the weightlessness. Best example we can take in freely falling body. Now this is the gravitation. Which one is the gravitation?